Your living room screams chaos instead of cozy, and your bedroom feels more storage unit than sanctuary. But there are 7 proven levels of home decoration that take you from basic survival mode to jaw-dropping luxury interior design styles. The secret upgrade at level 7 costs less than you think, but most people quit at level 4 and never discover it. Hit that like button and subscribe because we're revealing all 7 levels right now. Level 1 is survival mode. Your walls are bare, furniture is mismatched hand-me-downs. Clutter is everywhere. At this level, you're not thinking about interior design styles or bedroom makeovers. You're just trying to function. Here's your quick win. Declutter ruthlessly. Add affordable wall decor like posters to hide blank walls. Your living room doesn't need to be a magazine yet. It just needs to feel livable. This level fixes chaos fast without spending money on fancy home decor ideas. You're creating breathing room, and that's the foundation everything else builds on. Level 2 is functional fix, where practical home decor ideas take center stage. Paint walls neutral colors like soft gray or warm beige. These work with everything and give you a clean slate. Swap old lamps for thrift store finds. Hit up IKEA for cheap shelves and storage solutions. Those IKEA hacks you see on Pinterest actually work for bedroom storage and living room organization. The flow of your space improves dramatically. No more tripping over stuff. Your room functions like a real home instead of a storage locker. The key lesson: home decoration starts with function first, beauty second. Level 3 is personality pop, where your unique style finally shows up. You inject color and character. Add boho rugs with bold patterns or farmhouse pillows with cozy texture to your living room decor. Mix patterns boldly but keep them balanced. A floral throw with striped cushions works if colors match. Guests walk in and notice your style. Your home decor ideas reflect who you actually are. Here's the budget secret everyone misses. You don't need expensive pieces at level 3. Thrift stores, Home Goods, and Dollar Tree have gems. It's not about spending big. It's about choosing pieces that speak to you and arranging them with intention. Personality beats price tag every single time in interior design styles. Level 4 is cohesive comfort, where harmony hits your space. You match colors and textures across the room. Soft neutrals with natural wood tones create those cozy bedroom ideas everyone craves. You layer rugs for depth. You hang canvas wall art that ties your color scheme together. Your home feels unified and inviting, like a professional interior designer tackled it. But here's the problem. This is where most people stop. They hit comfortable and think they're done. The space looks good, feels good, and they can't imagine what else is possible. They're missing 3 entire levels of transformation. Which level matches your home right now? Drop a comment below level 1, 2, 3, or maybe you're at 4. If these home decor tips are helping, smash that like button. Hit subscribe so you never miss our step-by-step makeover tutorials. Now let's push past level 4 into the really exciting stuff. Level 5. Stylish statement. Level 5 is stylish statement, where you elevate to trendy interior design styles that make bold impressions. You choose a specific aesthetic and commit to it. Maybe you go minimalist decor with sleek furniture and clean lines. Or you embrace modern farmhouse style with shiplap accent walls and rustic wood beams. Add metallic trays and gold or brass for glam pops in your living room setup. Incorporate trending pieces like velvet chairs or geometric lighting fixtures. At level 5, your choices are intentional and current with 2026 home decor trends. Your bedroom makeover includes statement headboards or accent walls that wow. Bold choices make jaws drop. Your home doesn't just look nice anymore. It makes a statement. Level 6 is designer polish, where every detail gets refined. This separates good home decoration from professional interior design styles. You add custom lighting that creates ambiance, dimmer switches, layered lighting with floor lamps plus overhead fixtures. You incorporate luxury textures, velvet cushions, linen curtains, leather accents, marble touches. Your living room decor includes carefully scaled pieces. Big sofa paired with delicate side tables. Large art balanced with smaller decorative objects. You understand proportion and use it to create visual harmony. In your bedroom, you layer art on walls instead of hanging one lonely piece. Level 6 is about refinement, not reinvention. You're polishing what's already working, elevating quality, and paying attention to details most people overlook. Luxury whispers here, it doesn't scream. Level 7 is Elite Sanctuary, the luxury pinnacle of home decoration. Here's the secret upgrade nobody tells you. Livable luxury is about organic materials and hidden technology, not just expensive furniture. You incorporate bespoke pieces that fit your space perfectly, custom built-ins, furniture made specifically for your room dimensions. You blend smart home tech seamlessly. Voice-controlled lighting, automated blinds, temperature systems, all invisible but functional. You use organic materials that bring nature indoors, natural stone countertops, silk curtains, solid wood furniture, live plants that purify air. These create that 5-star hotel retreat feeling in your own bedroom and living room. The Elite Sanctuary isn't about showing off wealth. It's about creating a space so perfectly suited to your life that every moment at home feels restorative. Quiet opulence, understated elegance, functional beauty. When you master these 7 levels of home decoration, professional interior designers study your space for inspiration. There you have it, all 7 levels of home decoration explained, packed with home decor ideas, interior design styles, living room decor tips, and bedroom makeover strategies for 2026. Which level are you targeting this year? Drop a comment with your goal level. Subscribe right now for weekly luxury home, decor trends, and budget-friendly transformation tutorials. Smash that like button if this video opened your eyes. Watch this next video where I reveal the top 5 budget bedroom hacks that look expensive but cost under $100. Turn on those notifications because your dream home is closer than you think. Transform your space. Transform your life. See you in the next one.